Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to adjust the front headlight bulbs and aim the front headlight bulbs on the 8th generation Honda Civic. Any Acura or Honda, this should be similar on. The only tool you're really gonna need for this job is a very long, I'm talking probably over a foot, Phillips head screwdriver. First thing you guys wanna do in this job is pop your hood. If you guys can see right here, there's a marking right here on this cowl piece on both sides, your left and right side. You see that it says up and down. So clockwise rotation is going to be to bring your beams up, and counterclockwise is going to be to bring it down. Demonstrate for you guys. So we're going to stick the Phillips through the top here, and then you guys can see where the end of the Phillips is hitting. So we can go ahead and adjust our headlights by this. And that's what it's gonna look like. And the next step you're gonna wanna do is have a dark surface where you can see the headlights, where the beams are currently at. So we're gonna close this. Proceed to turn our headlights on. I wanna bring this one up. Actually, I wanna bring both up. So to bring these up, we wanna go clockwise. Now I'm just working on the driver's side, going clockwise. So, I mean, it's hard to tell the difference, obviously, until you try it, but ideally, you want both of the beams to be directly horizontally from each other. Hoping that this video helps you guys. All you really need is one of these and something to shine your headlights against. I mean, you could do this against your house or whatever. So keep in mind that most of these marks are different depending on your vehicle, I believe, but obviously you could see the rotations right there. For up, you want to go clockwise, and then for down, you want to go counterclockwise. So I hope this video helps most of you guys out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember, never stop wrenching.